Hey everyone, we got a new toy in today. It's the Strike Industries King Kong, and I got the oppressor. I've already installed this. I've done videos on that before. Pretty easy, take it off, and I got it all timed to where I want it. But that's the easy part. Just unscrew the old one, screw the new one on. The old comp I had was a 3/4 inch wrench. This one is a 7/8 is what it took. But here's what we're gonna put on. Just a flash jacket, basically. So let me get up here. When you get this, it's gonna be in a locked position. Just unscrew it, it'll stop. You'll put it on. And then screw it back on there. And she's on there, she's locked. So basically that's what you got right there. Kind of like it. We're gonna take it out tomorrow. And turn that so you can see it. We're gonna take this out tomorrow and run it. We'll see, but to take it off, you'll just unscrew this. Push in, comes right out. And you can run it with your brake and if that's what you want. But like I said, tomorrow we're gonna go out and try this with both. And I'll do a video on it. You guys have a good day. It's that simple to install. Counting the brake, it probably took me less than 5 minutes. See you guys later.